Hey, grade six, I hope you're having a great summer so far. I miss you already. Um, just so you know, this is a completely optional activity for you. So if you need some time just to rest, to get outside, or to be with your family, feel free to ignore this. But I wanted to share with you what I'm working on. So I've decided this year that a goal that I want is to work on how I teach writing, to be a stronger writing teacher. So I'm reading a book about how best to do that. So, the author of this book says that before we can start thinking about paragraphs, before we can think about essays, we have to start with sentences, right? We need to have really strong, diverse, well punctuated sentences to be strong writers. So, I've made this little workshop for you. It's going to review these 6 skills that are outlined in the book. So, there will be little mini lessons, there will be activities for you to do to work on these skills. And it's all connected back to our ancient civilizations unit that we did earlier in the year about ancient Egypt. So again, feel free to tune in for the parts of it that excite you. You don't have to turn this in if you don't want to. But if, like me, you want to grow in your writing, if you want to be a stronger author before entering middle school, this is just one resource that you have to continue to grow in your writing practice. So let me know if you have any questions, and I hope you have fun with this. See ya!